Hi, my name is Lynn Davis. I work for a company called Probe. Probe focuses and helps businesses with operational excellence and digital transformation. Today we will look at some of the important aspects of that, and this one today is going to be talking about productivity. Productivity is a business measure that looks at the performance really of your production area. It looks at your sales in relation to labor hours. Why is this important? It's important as a measure to define how your business is performing and how it is utilizing its assets, its people, and how you control waste within the business. Good productivity can be achieved by becoming a best-in-class company through utilization of its assets, of its performance and how you manage performance and how you strive to hit performance, and in the waste that you produce within the business. Productivity can also be improved through automation, as the standard calculation looks at labor hours in relation to parts produced. So where would we start? We start, as always, with measures. Measures are the most important ingredient to get a baseline to see where you are. We'll have to think about what measures that we're going to use, and a gold standard measure from the Department of Trade and Industry would be OEE, which stands for Overall Equipment Effectiveness, along with people productivity or labor hours. So why would we start there? OEE looks at three things. It looks at your asset, it looks at your performance, and it looks at your quality waste. So the three departments, your engineering group, your production group, and your quality group, would all come together to try and strive for a best-in-class OEE number. And along with the measurement of labor hours, we would look to see if the labor hours are to budget, or if they are not to budget, or if they're even inflated by working overtime, then that's just eating into the bottom line. Later in the series, we'll be looking at how we improve productivity and how we take the measures that we just discussed and drive those into solutions for the opportunities that the measures are giving you.